rain stopped, and suddenly it felt cold. The water froze on the ground and all the cars. She drove carefully to school after the rain stopped. The rain stopped, the balloon popped, and he washed all the dishes. The washing machine stopped working, but the dryer was fine. They called a repairman, and he fixed it in about an hour. The rain stopped, and the sun started to shine. The clouds looked pretty, and they walked outside. Everything was green. It was so nice to see so much green after the rain stopped. Everything was green. It was so nice to see so much green after the rain stopped.